Governor Romney so far hadn't had a very good night. You know, we party chairs, as I was for 4 years. You want these things to be over as soon as they're over. As soon as somebody's won the nomination, you want everybody to get together and start uniting for November. McCain's had a good night, but unless he has a big victory in California and some more like that, I'm not sure we're there. My friend Mike Huckabee, I enjoyed him, and he is a great friend of mine. We served as governors together 3 years, and I was chairman when he got elected, both lieutenant governor and governor of Arkansas. The idea, though, that we're going to continue until the very last primary, that's really not useful. Once somebody's won it, and I don't think that's the case right now, but once somebody has clearly won a nomination, the right thing to do if you want to win in November is for everybody to start getting together.
Well, are you calling for that tonight? I mean, you say that's the right thing to do. You say we're not there yet. You still
don't think we're.
Do you think it's a two-person race, as Mike Huckabee says, or who's in it?
I'm not sure that's fair to Romney. He may win California. But if McCain wins California, and he's won a lot of places, both in the Northeast and the Midwest with Illinois, we'll see how many of these states in the South he wins versus Huckabee. And Huckabee's shown great strength, I think. But I'm not saying tonight, and I don't think anybody would say tonight that it's over. But it is very important that once somebody has got the nomination won, that it doesn't just continue, because all that is negative. It becomes more shrill. It becomes more divisive. You know, John McCain's not as conservative as I am. I'm not sure any of these three guys are as conservative as I am. But I can tell you, any of the three I can enthusiastically support against the competition in November. And that's what this is going to be about. So tonight's been a great night for Mike Huckabee, great night for John McCain, who's probably going to win more delegates than anybody else. For our party, this may go on for a little while, but it doesn't need to go on forever.